Well, Chris and Mary, what you're looking at behind me here, this is actually the roof of a nursery school building that was sheared off from those powerful winds. Just one of several incidents across northern New Jersey from that powerful storm that left behind a trail of destruction. No children today. Instead, roofers are climbing around the Children's Day Nursery and Family Center in Passaic, where the 3- and 4-year-olds were inside as the forceful gusts blew part of the roof off right down to the street below.
They were a little curious about what was going on, a little nervous about what was happening.
Sue Miller says about 10 kids were there at the time. When staff realized what happened, the kids who had not been picked up were evacuated to a nearby firehouse. The damage confined to the attic.
They actually almost didn't realize that it was our building.
The ferocious winds and downpours caught some off guard.
My truck was moving like I was on the Tappan Zee Bridge and the wind was blowing 80 miles an hour. My truck was moving, parked in the parking lot.
We were driving home in it, and yeah, I was afraid a tree was going to fall in the car because the winds were so strong.
This tree in front of the Parisi home on Walnut Street in Montclair snapped at its base, toppling onto a car, taking wires down with it.
The winds were crazy. This tree was healthy, and it looked like it just got twisted up.
This morning, heavy machinery was brought in to move the logs and branches. Across northern New Jersey, similar scenes. Chopper 2 over this massive tree in Hohokus that uprooted right across the homeowner's yard. This car at a dealership in Clifton burned to its shell after catching fire from live wires. Public Works crews still playing catch up from the winter, now left with even more to do.
We haven't finished cleaning up or, finishing up the storms from March. But we still have a ton of trees to take down. Now we're going to have a ton more.
Now back here live at the nursery school, the roofing crew is doing as much work as they can to get those repairs made. No one was hurt during yesterday's incident. They're hoping that the school will be able to reopen within the next couple of days. We're live this afternoon in Passaic, New Jersey. Janelle Burrell, CBS 2 News.